Question number 7. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square. Cut off by the line x equal to a upon root 2. Given equation of circle is equal to is x square plus y square that is equal to a square. It's equation number first. And y square is equal to a square minus x square. Y is equal to under root of a square minus x square. It's y. And cut off by the line. Line x is equal to a upon root 2. X dash y dash. Cut off by the line x is equal to that is a, b, c and d. It's O, and this line cut x is equal to a upon root 2. X is equal to a upon root 2. Limit b put y equal to 0, so x square equal to a square, x is equal to plus minus a, that is a and 0. D point is a and 0. And x is equal to a upon root 2. Area required area of the smaller part is equal to integration limit is a upon root 2 to a upon this line is x is equal to a upon root 2 to a and y dx, that is equal to a upon root 2 to a, value of we get y is equal to root a square minus x square, root a square minus x square dx. Required area bounded by the smaller part is equal to limit a upon root 2 to a root a square minus x square dx. We know that integration of root a square minus x square dx is equal to x upon 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square divided by 2 into sine inverse x upon a. And we are applying the formula root a square minus x square dx. Integration of root a square minus x square dx is x upon 2 root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 into sine inverse x upon a. That is equal to shaded part ABD plus CBD, that is 2 times of integration of x upon 2 into a square, that is a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 and sine inverse x upon a. Limit lies between a upon root 2 to a. ABD CBD equal, that is 2 times of integration of a upon root 2 to a and root a square minus x square dx is x upon 2 root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse x upon a. We are putting upper limit, that is 2 as it is, and upper limit is a, that is a upon 2 into a square minus a square, that is 0, plus a square upon 2 into sine inverse a upon a, that is equal to 1, and minus lower limit, that is a upon 2 root 2. We are putting a lower limit in x, that is a upon root 2 and a upon 2 root 2 under root of a square minus a square upon 2 x square, that is a square upon root 2 square, that will be 2 minus a square upon 2 into sine inverse a upon root 2 sine inverse a upon root 2 a is cancelled and we get 2 into, that is 0 plus a square upon 2 sine inverse a square upon 2 into sine inverse 1, that is pi by 2 minus a upon 2 root 2 into 2a square minus a square, that is a square, and root a square is equal to a upon root 2 and minus a square upon 2 into sine inverse 1 upon root 2, that is equal to 45 degree and pi by 4. This is equal to 2 into a square pi upon 4 minus a square upon 4 root 2 into root 2, that is 2 multiplied by 2 2s are 4 minus a square pi upon 8. this is equal to 2 into a square is taking common, a square upon 4, a square upon 4, a square upon 4, a square upon 4 in bracket pi minus 1 minus pi upon 2 and a square upon 4 in common, which implies 2 into a square upon 4 and in bracket 2 pi minus pi upon 2, 2 pi minus pi upon 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 into a square upon 4 and in bracket pi upon 2 minus 1. This is cancelled by 2 and which implies a square upon 2 in bracket pi upon 2 minus 1 square units answer. Given equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square, it's equation number first, and y square is equal to a square minus x square. Shifting x square right side, that will be negative, and y square is equal to a square minus x square, and value of y we get under root of a square minus x square, and cut off by the line x is equal to a upon root 2, x is equal to a upon root 2, x is equal to a upon root 2. So required area of the smaller part is equal to integration of a upon root 2 to a, BD and CBD both are equal. So area is equal to a upon root 2 to a y dx, that is 2 times a upon root 2 to a, and y is equal to a square minus x square dx. So required area bounded by the smaller part is equal to 2 into a upon root 2 to a and integration of a square minus x square. As we know that formula of integration, root a square minus x square dx is equal to x upon 2 root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sin inverse x upon a. And 2 integration of root a square minus x square is here x upon 2 root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 into sin inverse x upon a. Lower limit is a upon root 2, upper limit is a. We are putting upper limit first and minus lower limit second. A upon 2 root a square minus a square, that will be 0. So it will be 0 and a square upon 2 sin inverse a upon a, sin inverse 1. We know that sin inverse 1 is equal to pi upon 2 minus a upon 2 root 2 into 2 into a square, that is 2a square minus a square is equal to a square upon root 2, and root a square, that will be a, and upon root 2 multiplied by root 2, that is equal to 2, and 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. So we get a into a square upon 4, and last minus a square upon 2 into sin inverse 1 upon root 2. We know that sin inverse 1 upon root 2 is equal to 45 degree, and 45 degree can be write it as pi upon 4. So sin inverse 1 upon root 2 is equal to pi upon 4. We are multiplying a square pi upon 2 2 jar 4 minus a square upon 2 into 2 that is 4 minus a square pi upon 4 2 jar 8 and a square upon 4 a square upon 4 a square upon 4 we are taking common in bracket 1 pi minus 1 minus pi upon 2 and pi minus pi upon 2 we are solving in bracket pi minus pi upon 2 that is 2 pi minus pi upon 2 minus 1 is side and 2 pi minus pi that is pi upon 2 pi upon 2 minus 1 and a square upon 4 we are taking common 4 divides 2 2 1 jar 2 2 2 jar 4 and we get a square upon 2 in bracket pi upon 2 minus 1 square unit answer. Thank you so much.